G'day traders, happy Tuesday. Hope you're doing well. Hope you enjoyed the public holiday if you're in the US and you're able to take advantage of Labor Day. Otherwise, if you just stepped away from the charts for the day, I hope you were able to reset and get ready for the rest of the week. Let's roll on over to the calendar and have a look what's going on today. So today, 10 a.m., we have ISM manufacturing, PMI. So it's at 10. So I'd be looking to take positions after 10. So today is a trading day. And then, excuse me, and then moving on for the rest of the week, we have the NFP protocol. So whether you trade for the rest of the week, Wednesday through Friday, that's really contingent on the individual and up to you to pull the trigger if you so choose. Tuesday, we just have news at 10, so waiting until after 10 to execute. Okay. All right. So having a look at NQ here. Let's see price has continued to respect the daily bullish FEG. Now, if anyone knows, I'd love to know, but with TradingView, is there any way to set the chart so you can see the public holidays? Because obviously you see here Friday the 30th, and then we move straight to Tuesday the 3rd. If anyone knows how to show the public holiday candle, that would be really good. On Top Step X, I can see it. It uses TradingView charts. So I don't know what the deal is there. But if you know the answer to that, please leave a comment below. But working off the information we have here, price is currently still respecting this bullish FEG. And I really do like these highs through here as a draw. Price did sweep previous day or Friday's high, but we have these relative equal highs here. This is actually a swing high, the Thursday candle, because of the high is 19,693.50 and the candle either side is lower. So we do have a swing high here, and this Tuesday candle is slightly higher again than the Thursday candle. So I do like this level as a draw. Looking for an open low, high close sort of candle today. If we get that. So let's look at a bullish bias as we are still respecting this bullish FEG. So having a look at the hourly. We see price has continued to respect this bullish order block and this bullish breaker here on the hourly. Price has sold off quite rapidly in the last hour and a half. That's quite a move down, but we are in a small range here, some consolidation. I'd like to see this level respected. This level needs to hold to see price move higher. We also have this as our change in the state of delivery, because that is the first moment in time after a sweep that we change trend. So if we look at the line chart, you can see that we do have an up, down, and displacement. So that's why I've chosen that level and not this order block level here, because we do have that small move. So looking to see price respect this bullish order block and bullish breaker block here. And these would be the areas I'd be looking for price to draw to. I'd like to see these highs. Now, it is NFP week, so anything is possible today, but that's what I'd like to see happen. And we do have low resistance liquidity. We've now created high resistance liquidity on our side of price, and we have low resistance on the other side of price. So again, a good opportunity for price to reach higher here. Let's have a look at ES. And then we will bring them beside each other, NQ and ES, just so we can have a look for any divergence or SMT. So we were working from this level, price at a swing low, so we look to be bullish. And we got that move. Price still had, still had some of this bearish FEG that was left unmitigated. And we tapped back into that. We also swept this high here. Now we do have a bullish order block here on the daily. So this candle can still respect that level, even if it wicks through. And we can use this as a guide. We can look at 50% of the range. A little bit of secret sauce shared by Jack Lee the other day. So we can look at price. If price respects this and bounces off, we can still look for bullish price action here. So obviously NQ and ES are usually correlated assets. Using the most recent information, therefore, we do have a sweep of a high into a bearish FEG. So anticipating bearish price action, which we are getting now, I'm actually going to say neutral on ES purely because on the daily bias, it gives me options as well. Then we can lean on the hourly structure to give us, that potential move. What we're actually going to be able to use as a high time frame point of interest to then look for an execution on a lower time frame. All right, let's clear that up. So same deal here on ES as with NQ. We have this bullish breaker here. We also have this change in the state of delivery and this bullish order block. So again, wanting to see these levels respected. And hopefully we'll continue to see price move higher. We have this same low resistance liquidity here that we had on NQ, high resistance liquidity on our side of price. So there's something for price to reach for. And we don't have that clear draw like we do on NQ. We have these highs here, which have already been swept. we do have all this low resistance liquidity through here and through here that we can use as a potential draw. And I would say that that would be also, that candle there would be data highs from news. Which would also be good to see those data highs cleared out. So we do have a draw here. As long as these levels hold, we should see price continue higher today. So having a look at Euro futures, I've already got these markups here from yesterday. We can see now that price is starting to push lower now. So we had that close below the negative 2.5. So we got that close here. Price consolidated and retraced and now is moving lower. And has also formed a bearish continuation unicorn here. So we have this bullish change in the state of delivery that is failed, no longer relevant. Let's remove these markings. So it looks like we might actually get this price moving to the max extension, the -4. And we have that low resistance liquidity here as our draw. And if we drop out to the daily, we were looking at bullish price action because we were being supported within this daily bullish FEG. It does look like price may mitigate that FEG now. We've had open high and it looks like we might get a low close candle today. So bearish for Euro futures. So here we are with CL. And it looks like CL is going to mitigate this bullish FEG here. So we would look to external, therefore a bearish bias. You can see here that price closed below the Thursday candle. This is our bearish order block. This up close candle is our bearish order block. What did price do? Price pushed up, it's wicked straight off that order block and continued to move lower. So looking for price to move lower on oil today. We did have this level marked out as a bullish change in the state of delivery here on the hourly. That price level has now been disrespected. And it looks likely that we might see price reach for this low resistance liquidity down here. So we've now taken these lows So expect to see some reaction there now that we've taken those lows. And we can see that we do get some alignment here with the -2 standard deviation of this manipulation here, in line with the low resistance liquidity. So anticipating lower prices here on oil. Okay, so gold located at a swing low, so an external liquidity. You can see we have been ranging here. Looks like we've got some manipulation, and will we see expansion? So from there, I'd be looking for price to reach higher. And you can see these failure swings here as well. They would act as a nice draw if price shows willingness to move higher. So bullish on gold. So we did get a sweep for lows here. So we had this as the Sunday low. Changing the state of delivery. With expansion, so we've got displacement here, displacement here. So we're watching to see if price does move lower. Does it respect this bullish change in the state of delivery? So these highs here, which is low resistance liquidity, align nicely with the -2 standard deviation. And also we have this high here aligned with our -2 to -2.5 standard deviation. Need to see price break through this level and respect this level too, I'd say, to actually see that push move higher. Okay, Dixie. So here we are on the daily. Dixie is still resting within this daily bearish FEG. If price is able to push through that FEG, I'd be looking for price to tap into this level and then see if we get a reaction from here, seeing as how this bearish FEG is located in a premium of this dealing range. At the moment, price is still holding within this bullish, this bearish FEG. So bearish on Dixie. Okay. GBP. So price has mitigated this bullish FEG here. It tried to come back up. It's respected the midpoint of that level, and now it's using that as resistance. So price moving lower. Be looking for price to reach down to this level or into a discount of this dealing range here, which would put price down into one of these FEGs here. And that aligns with our -4 max extension as well, which we'll have a look at now on the hourly. So we had negative change in the state of delivery. Prices continue to respect bearish PD arrays. And price has still been unable to find its way higher. So we are still trending down. You can see that right through here. We're just still trending down. And we still have this low resistance liquidity through here, which looks to me like a really good draw. So remaining bearish on GBP. Also, let's start to wrap it up there. But I just wanted to mention with the launch of Unicorn University that we have, if you jump into my Twitter, there is a giveaway running at the moment for your chance to win a 50K My Funded Futures eval. So jump into my Twitter. The link is in the description, and jump into that draw. Just follow the rules set out in the post, and you'll have a chance of winning a My Funded Futures 50K eval. It's exciting to launch Unicorn University. The offerings are going to be amazing, so make sure you consider joining Unicorn University if you haven't already. If you do, go and check out that giveaway post. The link to Unicorn University is also in there. It's definitely worth your while. 100% guarantee checking it out. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good, safe Tuesday. Trade well, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Also, just before I go, I'll be streaming live tomorrow around 7 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so Wednesday, 7 a.m. We'll be going live on my YouTube. All right, catch you then, guys. Bye.